Hello, dear. Very good evening. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Please confirm me through the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for the delay. Actually, due to some emergency. Okay. We have already studied in the previous session. We have already studied about the rate law value and the order of the value. From the result, wait 1 second. Just I am using the another board. Okay, in the previous session, we have already studied about the rate law. Rate law gives the idea that how the rate value will be vary. Rate means we have studied about that the zero order reaction. For the zero order reaction, the value will be A naught minus AT is equal to K into T. This is the formula for the zero order reaction. For the second, if I am discussing for the second, the T half value will be equal to A naught divided by the 2K value. T half value will be equal to A naught by 2K value. Third, if I am discussing about the T 100% value. What is the T 100% value? T 100% value will be equal to A naught. So we will conclude that from the from the three formula. First is that T A naught minus AT value is equal to KT value. Second formula is that A naught T 100% value will be equal to A naught minus K value. After that, from this conclusion, if we draw the curve value, if as I think there will be okay. If we draw the curve value, we got that the first result is that AT my this is the concentration AT, this is the time T. Means the slope will be the negative. After that, second we will draw the curve between T half and A naught. T half and A naught, the slope will be equal to the minus 1 by 2K. If third, if we draw the curve for the T 100% and T 100%, may I know which topic you are teaching? I am teaching the zero order chemical reaction. Zero order chemical reaction. In the zero order chemical reaction, we have derived the formula for the calculation of concentration and the time rate constant relation, T 100% relation, and the T half relation. We have studied that the relation between T 100% and A naught. T 100% and A naught value will be equal to the 1 by K. This is the result. After that, today we will study about the next topic that will be equal to the first order chemical reaction. Write down the next topic, first order chemical reaction. First order chemical reaction. First order chemical reaction. What is the meaning of first order chemical reaction? How we will write the first order chemical reaction? First order for the first order chemical reaction, n value will be equal to 1. If n value will be equal to 1 means suppose we are writing the rate value. The reaction is, suppose A gives B. The reaction A gives B. At time t is equal to 0, the value will be equal to the A naught. This value will be equal to 0. After the time t, this value will be equal to 80 and this value will be the 80. 80 means, if I am writing the A naught means this is the initial concentration. The meaning of AT is that this is the final concentration value. Final concentration value. At the time T is equal to 0 means when the reaction is started, when the reaction is started at the time T is equal to 0, this is the initial concentration. After the time T, this is the final concentration. Final, the rate value will be equal to K into concentration to power n value. Rate is equal to K into concentration to power n value. So we will write that this rate value is equal to minus dA by dt is equal to K into the concentration value will be equal to A. This is the concentration to power 1. This is the formula. If we write the formula, if we see that the minus d by dt value will be equal to the k into a, and you have to generalize, you have to write the general formula. So if you cross multiply, this will be written k into dt. This will be equal to k into dt. Integrate both the sides. This value is equal to k into dt. This value will be equal to k into dt. If you integrate, you will got the value that dA by a value, you will got the result that this value will be equal to the ln A. Means suppose I am using the limit t is equal to 0. What is the concentration of a naught? At that time T, what is the concentration of A? Concentration of A is equal to T. Means the integration of minus dA by A is equal to minus ln A. The initial limit is A naught, the final limit is A. This is equal to K into T. You must have to know the log property, some log property. I am writing the 3 log properties so that you will able to write the final result of the first order chemical reaction. ln A plus B value will be equal to ln BAB. Second, ln A minus ln B value is equal to ln A by B value. A by B value. These are the two results. First, ln A plus B value is equal to ln B. Second, ln A minus ln B is equal to ln A by B value. So if you use the limit, you will able to find that this value will be equal to minus ln A. This value will be equal to minus ln A into A naught. This is the upper limit is equal to A is equal to K into T. K into T. If you are writing that this is the ln A, this is the ln A. This value will be equal to the minus ln A naught. This value will be equal to K into T value. So the result will be that minus in multiple of ln A divided by A naught. A divided by A naught is equal to K into T is equal to K into T. So if we multiply it from the minus, we will got the result that ln A naught by A value is equal to K into T. This is your result. You must have studied in the mathematics that suppose log x to power n. This will be written that n into log x value. If you have any doubt, please ask me. So your result will be that for the first order chemical reaction, your result will be that in the first order chemical reaction, ln A naught by AT value is equal to K into T. If we write in the term of the log, what is the value? If we write in the term of the log value A naught by AT value is equal to K into T. This is the value. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Please confirm me through the chat box if you are facing any issue. Drishi, Ritu, Samicha. Okay, no doubt. I think there is no doubt to apply the same. First question is that. First question I am giving you that. Find the time. Find the time taken time taken if initial concentration if initial concentration of reactant if initial concentration of reactant is if initial concentration of reactant is 100 m and final concentration is 50 m and k value is equal to 5 मिनट इनवर्स आपको दिया हुआ है कि ln2 की जो वैल्यू होती है 0.693 की इक्वल होती है। हमें बताइए क्या वैल्यू आएगा, व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट। आई एम गिविंग यू द 1 minute so that you will able to answer me the same question. You have to use the similar formula of the first order chemical reaction there. After that, you will be able to answer the question. Find the time taken if the initial concentration of reactant is 100 m and the final concentration is 50. K value is equal to 5 minute inverse. आपको क्या फॉर्मूला लगाना है, ln a naught by 80 is equal to k into t. बताइए a naught की वैल्यू कितनी है, a naught की वैल्यू 100 के इक्वल है, 80 की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है, 50 के इक्वल है, k की वैल्यू क्या दिया हुआ है, 5 के दिया हुआ है। टाइम की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है, टाइम की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल हो जाएगी, ln2 डिवाइडेड बाय 5। ln2 की वैल्यू कितनी है, 0.693 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 कर देंगे, इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी, दिस मिनट विल बी द आंसर। एनी डाउट डियर, प्लीज आस्क मी इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट।
Could you explain again?
क्या?
Could you explain again?
Okay, I am explaining again. I am saying that find the time taken if the initial concentration of the reactant is 100 capital M. This is the initial concentration of reactant, this is the final concentration of the reactant. If you are writing that ln A naught by 80 is equal to K into T, ln A naught by 80 value, ln A naught by 80 value is equal to K, ln A naught by 80 value is equal to K into T. ए नोट की वैल्यू कितनी के इक्वल है, 100 के इक्वल है। ए नोट की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है, 100 के इक्वल है। टाइम की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है, टाइम की वैल्यू 50 के इक्वल है। फाइनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है, 50 के इक्वल है। यहाँ पे के की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है, 5 के इक्वल है। टाइम की वैल्यू बताइए, यहाँ पे आप कैलकुलेट करोगे टाइम की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, ln2 डिवाइडेड बाय द के की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है, 5 के इक्वल है। तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 0.693 डिवाइडेड बाय 5। किसी तरीके का कोई डाउट? After that, I am giving you the another question. Find the relation between T half that suppose initial concentration is A naught, time t is equal to 0. T at the time t, the value will be equal to A naught by 2. At the final, the value will be equal to A naught by t. Similarly, if t 75%, T75% means that time T is equal to 0. The initial concentration value will be equal to A naught. The initial concentration value will be equal to A naught at the time T. If I am find the relation between the T half and T75%. At the time T is equal to 0, the initial value will be equal to A naught. After time T, the value will be equal to A naught by 2. If T is equal to 75%, I am calculating. Time T is equal to 0, this value will be equal to A naught. After getting the value, this means 75. So A naught into 25 divided by the 100. This will be equal to A naught by 4. This value will be equal to A naught by 4 value. So find the relation between T half and T75%. I am giving you 1 minute time. Okay, what will be your answer? I am explaining. Firstly, I am calculating the formula for the T half. What is mean by the T half value? T half means that suppose 50% of the reactant, 50% of reactant converted into product, converted into product. 50% of the reactant converted into the product. So if I am calculating that ln, suppose this is the ln value, this is the A naught value. What is the AT value? AT value means the final concentration. Final concentration is the half of initial concentration. This is the K value. This is the T is the half. So you will got the formula that T half we will already studied in the zero order chemical reaction. T half value will be equal to ln 2 by K. Okay. This is the formula for the first order reaction T half value. After that, suppose I am calculating for T75%. If I am calculating for T75%, what do you mean by the T75%? T75% means that half of the 75% of 8% will be remaining. This value will be equal to A naught. If I am writing the AT value will be A naught 2 divided by the 4 value. A naught to 4 value means if A naught, what is the 75% value? A naught to 25% means this value will be equal to the A naught by 4 is equal to K into T. 75%. So from here you will got the result that ln 4 is equal to K into T75%. From here you will got the result that ln 4 is equal to K into T75%. What is the formula of ln 4? ln 4 we can write that the 2 to power square is equal to K into T75%. 2 will be multiplied here. So you will got the value that 2 into ln 2 divided by K is equal to T75%. So the ln 2 divided by the K value will be equal to T half. So we will got the result that 2 into 2 into 2 into T half value will be equal to T75%. This is the result. This is the result. After that, I am giving you the one question. One question and you have to try. You have to all the student, you must have to answer in the chat box. If you are unable to get the answer, you will write that sir, I am not getting any point in this question. Means everyone should have to answer, everyone have to answer in the chat box. For the first order chemical reaction, for first order chemical reaction, chemical reaction T half value is equal to 0.693. Find the value of, find the, for the first order chemical reaction, T half value will be equal to 0.693. Find the value of, for the first order chemical, for the first order chemical reaction, the T half value will be equal to it. Now find the value of, for, find the value into product for 75% completion. Write down. Am I audible? Please confirm me through the chat box.